Hi YouTube and welcome back to my channel. I am Beautiful Hustler and I'm here today with a coloring tutorial to show you how I bleach my hair the way you see it in this section of this video. But first off, if you are new to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button and turn on your alarm bells so you can always see when I update something new. This wig right here is a used wig that I had in before, and you can purchase this wig from my hair company, which will be down in the description box. This is my texture Puerto Rican curly, and this is this hair. Pretty much I just have all my wigs balled up in a little bin, and I just basically took this wig out and I brushed it out with some water. And so basically this is the hair, kind of air dried at the same time, and I'm just going to show you guys how I bleach my hair to get it the way that it looked in the beginning of this video, which is very simple. No, I did not use any dye for this look. This was just all bleaching powder and developer. So for starters, what I did was part my hair into 4 different sections, and I'm gonna part the front section off and just twist those pieces together, because I'm going to show you basically what I do just working on one section of the back. So now that I have split this wig into 4 sections, I'm just going to take a piece of one of my sections and begin to spread that bleaching powder throughout the hair. Now I am using 40 developer, and I'm using the 40 cream developer, and I am using the BW2 powder. I just mixed it up in a big, well, that small black bowl, but you know, of course I had to make more, like about 4 times to do this whole wig completely. And I'm just gonna basically do this throughout the whole video. Just pull sections down, add that bleach on there, detangle it a little bit, and yeah, just, you know, keep doing the same thing, just repetition over and over.
Dice on the beat. Dice on the beat. Dice on the beat.
Yes, so just basically keep spreading that bleaching powder throughout the thing, comb it in, just make sure that the bleaching powder does hit all of the hair. Now, in total, I'll probably say this process took like literally no more than maybe 25 minutes, and that's with putting everything on there. And once I did apply this bleaching powder to my last section, I waited about 10 minutes and then I started washing out each section. By the way, I applied the bleaching powder, so I'm going to wash out the first section. I put the powder, and then the second, and then third, and then of course the last one. So that's just basically what I did. And right here you can see I did both sections. You will see that the right side is lighter than the left side because obviously I did the right side first, so it's probably like a few minutes behind. So that's why I said when I did wash this out, I did wash it according to how I put it in, like a section in order at a time. Guys, when you are bleaching hair, be sure to have on gloves because this stuff really burns if it sits too long on your hands. I've been burned many times because sometimes I don't even follow the rules that I'm giving you guys. But just being honest, you do want to wear gloves. Like this time around, I was not playing. I made sure I had my gloves on deck because I did not want my fingers and hands to be burning all night long. So safety first, safety first. Please have your gloves, guys.
Dice on the beat.
So once again, now that we have reached the top and we are almost done, I did let this sit for 10 minutes before I started to wash it out. And you want to make sure that you wash it out in the same order that you applied the bleaching powder. I did not want everything to be an even tone, so I did do the back a little bit lighter than the front, and just because I wanted to, like I just wanted different like tones of browns and the golden blonde. So at the end of this video you will see how it looks, and like I get put in like a mini portion of the tutorial on me actually doing this install. But I hope you guys did learn something from this video. If you did, just go ahead and give me a thumbs up. What I also wanted to mention that when washing this out, I did use the Shimmering Lights shampoo and conditioner. It is very important that you use that because it is a toning shampoo. It gets rid of all the yellow tone. So I did use that and just washed off right away. But thank you guys. Till next time.